Guys, we're in New Kingston. We're on the delivery trail. Today we're here making a special delivery to a first-time customer. As you guys already know, we're your friendly shipping company that allows you to purchase the items from overseas. We ship them to Jamaica, get them delivered to your doorstep, either here at your office, or we bring it to your house, or if you're on the road and you want drive-by service, we can provide that too. So as I said, guys, we're here on a special mission. We love to meet our customers. So every time we see a new customer, we always come out and we meet and greet, you know, because it's a family thing, you know, it's a family. And I want you to be a part of the family. So I want you to click on the link on the screen or in the description box. Join us today. Become a part of our family. Allow us to give you some goodness, right? You know, it's a family share, right? And what we do for you, we give you 4 free shipping coupons. So 4 times per year, you get 4 shipping coupons. So you can ship your items and pay no shipping for anything under £5. Alright? So as I said, we're here, we're in New Kingston, we're on the trail. I want you guys to click on the link, join us today. Alright? Alright.